Removing the algae which had accumulated on our roof of our outside area was no easy task. So we found this like extendable brush online which seemed to do the trick really easily with water. And then we went over the whole thing again with the power hose from the inside and from the top. And there we have it, one clean roof again.
What happens when you spray a roof with soap and sodium mix? This roof had a lot of mold and algae, so we need to spray it well. "20 minutes later.
Alright guys, here's the easiest way to clean the most common type of roof we have over here in the United States, specifically Washington State. So all we really want to do is this is just basic moss, and these are asphalt shingles, so we don't want to go super hard on the pressure, we want a gentle brush. So all it really is just like, just gently, just kind of moving it away, the bristles, trying to get the moss off of there. So yeah, that's...